Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting period in our class, and today we're going to look at qualitative analysis of C. C is a compound that contains aluminium chloride. So we want to analyze the compound to know if exactly it has aluminium chloride. So based on that, what we do here is first to check the solubility. We add water to the C compound, the compound that we tag C, and divide it into three portions. When water is added, we notice that our observation is that the compound is soluble in water, and it gives a colorless solution. Because of this observation we have here, it simply means that the soluble ions are likely present. Ions like potassium ion, sodium ion, aluminium ion, hydrogen triazo carbonate 4 ion, and triazo nitrate 5 ions are likely to be present. And because it's colorless, meaning that transition ions are absent. Transition ions are absent because transition ions are known for one thing: they have D block and they always show up a color due to the presence of their D block. Whenever D block is involved in a combination. So the next one we did, after dividing into three portions, the first portion we add dilute sodium hydroxide solution in drops, and then in excess we discover that we have a white gelatinous precipitate that is formed there, and then this white gelatinous precipitate is soluble in SS. So from this observation, we understand that what we have here is lead ion. It's likely to be lead ion, zinc ion, and aluminium ion likely what present. So because these three ions behave in a similar way whenever sodium hydroxide, dilute sodium hydroxide solution is added. So now the next thing we do here is to the second portion we add dilute hydrochloric acid. Second portion from above, we add dilute hydrochloric acid. We notice there was no reaction, no visible reaction. So since there is no visible reaction, it simply means that zinc, aluminium are likely to be present. Lead, it means that lead is absent. Lead is absent in the sense that lead has insoluble chloride, because if lead is there, when you add this dilute hydrochloric acid, the chloride that will be formed with lead ion will be insoluble to give us white precipitate. Since there is no white precipitate here, it means that lead is absent. So the next thing we are going to do here is to look at so from the mixture we have in the C, the mixture we have in C, the one we added hydrochloric acid. The next thing we do there is to add aqueous ammonia. The mixture, we add aqueous ammonia into it in drops, and then in excess we notice that we have in the observation we have a white precipitate insoluble in SS. That confirms aluminium. That means aluminium is the ion that is present there. So the next one now, to the third portion, from the one we got from the the test A, what we notice that when you add silver nitrate, to it, silver nitrate solution to it, you have a white precipitate. Actually, this white precipitate, if you expose it to sunlight, it will be darkened. And in addition of dilute triazo nitrate 5 acid, we notice that it was insoluble. But then a white precipitate really indicates that is likely to be triazocarbonate 4 or chloride, because these are the two insoluble ions. Insoluble ions. These two ions can form insoluble compound with silver nitrate. With silver, sorry, not silver nitrate, can form insoluble compound white precipitate with was silver. So now, when you add dilute nitric acid, if carbon 4 is present, carbon 4 will be soluble, it will dissolve. That is a triazocarbonate 4. If it's there, it will dissolve. But since it did not dissolve, which means that what we have there is what? Chloride ion. So chloride ion is confirmed. All right, thank you so much. I would like to read some of your comments. I would like you also to share and like the video. Thank you so much.